Hey, welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today, we got the Apple Watch and a prerequisite, the case. First, we're going to open this, see what's in this. Two wipes, a wet wipe and a dry wipe. Peel off the back, and you just stick it on. So that's the side. That's it right there. This was at Jump Plus for $44.99. This is the Apple Watch Series 10 42mm jet black with GPS, designed by Apple, model 2997. And then it says here, recycle this box. So, okay, I forgot how this opens up. 1009. Oh, this comes in two parts. Okay, so this is the watch and this is the band. Sport band. Space black stainless steel pin. Apple Watch Series 10 works with any Apple Watch. Well, that's good. That's it. Designed by Apple. Okay, what funky cable comes in this? Is it? Oh. Huh. There we go. That's your prerequisite for this will be a fancy adapter, which if you saw my last video, got lots of. I just don't have any white. So we'll stick with red for now. I gotta figure out how to get this out without. Oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. I hear it ripping. There's a little puck. Guess it just comes out this way. Uh-huh. Look at that. Play doctor with this thing. So let's see if this Apple Watch. Getting started. Press and hold to turn on Apple Watch and charge with magnetic charger. Exposure to radio frequency, medical device interference. Some of the bands and Apple Watch magnetic charging accessories contain magnets that may interfere with medical devices. Well, you don't necessarily want to do that. Okay. Here's your sport band. Just pop that open. And it's a little card. Slide to attach band. Adjust band for a close fit, and then press button to remove band. Fancy. Okay, I see. It's a little tab. That just leaves that. We'll put this into its box. This can go back into its box. And you can go back in your box. That will stay there. Oh, where did that come from? Anywho, let's pop this off and see. So we'll slide it out this way. Heaven forbid I touch the screen. This is a real struggle. Oh, I turned it on. Okay. Okay, bring phone to watch. Apple Watch. Continue. Set up for myself. Hold camera up to the watch. Now it's pairing the Apple Watch. You can see your little display right there. Make this your new Apple Watch. Settings, Siri, preferred wrist, and more. I'm going to continue. Connecting. This may take a moment. Of course, you have to do the terms and conditions. Don't necessarily want to share Apple Watch passcode. Then it'll ask you to create a new passcode. Location services. You can do that for the watch or disable later. And do accessibility. Set up later. Personal fitness. Sleep schedule. Safety. Double tap. Oh, double tap sounds fancy. You can do depth. When submerged. And verify my account. And it just sits here while that's setting up. Put on the bracelet. Now, assuming I have this correct, this is here, and that says small, medium on it. Apple Pay, you can set up later. Apple Watch is syncing. You get alert when it's done. Welcome to the Apple Watch. Watch user guide, health and fitness. Now, since this is for the wife, it doesn't matter if this band's gonna be whatever and not fit me. It'll be for her. Oh, look at that. When you go on an angle, device added to your account. Now you're setting up your watch. And if you don't like how it's set up this way, you can also just push this, slide her out, push that, slide her out, then just do it the other way. And you can go like this. And also make it harder for the thief by flipping it around. This is quite the struggle. So I guess you would just go underneath. Oh yeah, it's easier this way. And then you just set your thing and go like that. Or you can do it on your right. Either or. Oh, it's even syncing the display to it too, which is cute. Now while this is setting up, remember a prerequisite of having a fancy adapter? There you go. And this will be how you charge your watch. This little puck. Hey, look, it's done. Hello. Learn how to navigate Apple Watch. Press the digital crown to see your apps. Press the digital crown to return to your watch face. Press the side button to open Control Center. Press the side button to close Control Center. Turn the digital crown to see your widgets. You have this. Welcome to Apple Watch, and that's it. Turn on location services to allow Apple Watch faces. No thanks. We'll hit all your apps. You have activity. You have your blood oxygen meter in some of the models. You have your camera remote. So when you go here, there you go. That's that. You have your 3-second timer. You can get out of that. Enable music detection. Mindfulness. Take a minute for yourself. Never hurts to have a minute. But only take 1 minute, maybe 2, like a bathroom break. Got your calculator, your calendar, compass, contacts, cycle tracking, your depth gauge, your heart rate monitor, find items, find people, heart rate. Home is for your HomeKit devices, emoji, messages, Shazam music recognition, your photos, your remote for your Apple TV, your stocks, your stopwatch, your tides, your timers, translate, your vital statistics, voice memos, your walkie-talkie, your workout, and your world clock. And then you have your settings all over here. You can edit school time, walkie-talkie, water lock, volume, flashlight, plane, Wi-Fi, ping, batteries at 62. Okay, now let's see if this will charge. We'll plug in our adapter. Of course, it's whining. You put your watch here. Hey, it works. The adapter works. What do you know? And there you go. That's our Apple Watch. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good night. And see you in future videos.